But if you libido, if you name a lot, she broke away. What you got? She broke away. She also, I can't get a man and every year, my one polong, a dear more can go. Never not Balagan, the mile, and not a year. Bumbo, I even could do that.
My people, wonder shall never end. Another one don't happen again, my people. Make una carry una jokote sida come listen to this full video of Ijele Speaks, my people. Hey, no be small something, oh. Hey, wahala dey oh. Everywhere don scatter, e don set, e don burst. No be small thing. He said this ekperima, that means Akwa Okuku. He can't explain wetin Akwa Okuku use Igbo take talk say make dem come do Ojesi medicine. Una understand? If anybody shoot them, una understand? Say the thing no enter, he go collect gun for that person, he go give them slap. Ijele, he explain everything, my people, and he can still talk many things for inside this video. My people, as I cross this one, was choctolized. Wahala no dey finish oh. Now Akwa Okuku na I call the trend for social media. Some say he don't come out, some say he never come out. Everywhere kata na he come full am. I no come understand. Make una just listen to Ijele Speaks for wetin he talk for inside this video. My people, wahala really dey, honestly. Make una regard dey.
But if you libido, if you name a lot, she broke away. What you got? She broke away. She also, I can't get a man and every year, my Jpac, one polong, a dear more can go. Never not Balagan, the mile, and not a year. Bumbo, one flavor, I even could do that.
Now we don't clear. Okay, guys, for those of you who don't understand Igbo, this banza is saying that some people who claim they have chi that will save them, that they will have a dish, if they shoot them, the gun will not touch them. And this Ekperima, they just kidnapped him yesterday, or let me say yesterday, around 1 Monday, early Monday morning. He's saying that he has something at Jpac which he will give you if instead of you waiting for someone to shoot you and test the efficacy of whatever they shoot you are holding, that you should come and take a Jpac from him. With that Jpac, if anyone threatens you with a gun, you will grab the gun from the person and slap the hell out of the person. Well, that was the theory part of it. Now they're practical. They don't kidnap them. Now all these people where they collect money from people, 3 billion for one okite. Now maybe one of the people where they do okite for come find out say this is false. As always, every scam must come to an end. They don't kidnap them now. So Akwa Okuku, where was your Jpac that when you were kidnapped? Even your security men were recycled too, and we've not heard from you. Hopefully they go leave you at least. If this was leave you, make the rest come carry you too. Because in there where you go reach, they no see you to catch. They go burn that hotel. I don't pity your family. I don't pity them anyway, because those who know kite. I hear say some of them they use human parts to do them, where human life no get respect. For Southeast again, and you go to talk, some bastards go to say, oh, you hate your people, oh, you are exposing what is happening in your life. So we should be covering them. We should be covering their crimes up, right? And more people will be disappearing. Keep on fooling yourself. Anyway, me, like I told them, I will be watching from a safe distance. We know kit, and the sellers of kit and the buyers of kit will begin to fight. And I want to use this opportunity to beg the police, do not waste your resources. The guy has claimed to have so much power, so don't go waste your resources. Let him free himself from there. At least one of two things will happen. Either he frees himself and we all go, and in fact, we will go and mold his statue at every junction in the Southeast and start worshiping him. And if he doesn't, the rest will know that this guy is a fraud, and they may end up going after the rest of the criminal gangs, because they have several gangs doing this. So my people, we don't pity them. Somebody was saying, oh, pray for him. Pray for him for what? Which nonsense prayers? Pray for him in what way? Somebody that has the power to grab guns, or he doesn't have the power anymore? So it has to be one of the two. It has to be one. So guys, it's fake. Don't listen to them. Oh. Someone who couldn't save himself. How in the world is he going to save you? Stay blessed.